Good day to you. And as part of my In My Car series, I tried to do some little open air conversation with you. Been getting a lot of feedback about this. This here is a Romeo Julieta that was given to me by a young man the other day. His name is Jordan. And I don't know. Since the borders are open, and are Cubans illegal still? That's for you to sort out. But I'm going to enjoy this one for the both of us. They weren't kept in humidification. And the young man, I had to explain to him that you know you can rehydrate them. So I put them in my humidor, which is my inside pocket, for a little bit to let them get enough humidity. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about things that we frequently talk about. I'm getting a lot of feedback from people who I'm meeting on the street and some of my vendors who have given my channel a look, one or two of my channels. And I'm also getting feedback from people who I see every day. I want to be available, and I want to have those conversations and those words that that touch you in a way to let you know that we're connected. And I want to make sure that what I'm saying is something that you can digest. Today, I had the responsibility of going to a funeral service for another person that I know. That's the beauty of knowing a lot of people. You have things that are going on, and I always try to take time for people, not so much for the person that has passed, but the family that is left. And it was a beautiful service. I really was touched by the young man's sister when she was asked to come up by her husband. People talk about poise, and people talk about being able to get a hold of yourself. I was in awe of the way that this young lady composed herself and spoke on behalf of her relationship with her brother. It was so beautiful to behold. And today on Facebook, I posted my video tomorrow, and I try to post tomorrow often. It's part of my In My Car series, because I think that people don't realize that you only have today, and people are taking a lot of risks as to when they're going to get it together. And I posted tomorrow to remind people that you don't have a tomorrow. You don't have a tomorrow. You don't get a tomorrow. And you have to treat your life, your moment, your family, your friends, everyone, as if this is the last time you're going to see them. And you must take the journey, the mission, the drive, the goals seriously enough that this could be it. This could be it. Get serious about living, because you're going to spend more time dead than you do alive. This is Arnold Tate, Arnold Mr. Dad Tate. As part of the In My Car series, like this video and share it. And subscribe to the channel. Also, check out Mr. Meditate. It'll change your perspective. I'm writing a little bit, so check out mrdadtate.wordpress.com and check out my ongoing series blog, Bruce Me, where I talk about things I learned from Bruce Lee. Make it a great day.